Hi, I'm Nitya, your tutor at Nityaz Academy. Let's learn acids, bases, and pH together, step by step. Acids and bases are opposites that come alive in water. An acid releases hydrogen ions, written H+, into the solution. A base releases hydroxide ions, written OH-. Acids taste sour, like lemon, while bases feel slippery, like soap. These ions are what give acids and bases their characteristic and very different chemical behaviors. The pH scale measures how acidic or basic a solution is, from 0 to 14. Below 7 is acidic, with lots of hydrogen ions. Exactly 7, like pure water, is neutral. Above 7 is basic. Each step on the scale is 10 times stronger, so pH 3 is 10 times more acidic than pH 4. Small numbers, big differences. Let's place some everyday items. Lemon juice sits near pH 2, sharply acidic from citric acid. Pure water rests at 7, perfectly neutral. Baking soda dissolved in water reaches about 9, mildly basic, which is why it soothes acid stomachs. Knowing roughly where things fall on the scale helps you predict how they will react together. When an acid meets a base, they neutralize each other. The hydrogen ions and hydroxide ions combine to form plain water, while the leftover ions form a salt. For example, hydrochloric acid plus sodium hydroxide gives table salt and water. This is exactly how an antacid tablet calms excess stomach acid, bringing the pH back toward neutral. Let's recap. Acids release hydrogen ions and bases release hydroxide ions. The pH scale, 0 to 14, tells us which is which, with 7 being neutral. When acids and bases mix, they neutralize into salt and water. From your stomach to the soil that feeds crops, this balance of acids and bases shapes life everywhere. Great work! Keep practicing with Nitya at nityazacademy.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice.